Welcome back. Today's episode tackles a topic that every expat in Spain learns quickly: how to work with Spanish bureaucracy instead of against it. There's one lesson every new arrival must learn. It's this: patience is your new superpower. Spanish systems are steady, but not fast, and trying to rush them won't improve their performance. Appointments are required for nearly everything. Many offices close mid-afternoon for siesta, and sometimes, yes, you'll make more than one trip to get something done. The secret is preparation. Bring multiple copies of every document, keep them organized, and smile often. The officials you meet appreciate politeness and persistence far more than frustration. The siesta is still alive in many places, and once you adjust to the rhythm, you will realize it's part of what makes Spain so peaceful. Life slows down midday, then bursts back into motion around 5 p.m. It's not inefficiency, it's balance. And if the red tape ever feels overwhelming, don't forget, there are professionals who can handle much of it for you. They're worth every euro when it comes to visas, registrations, and legal documentation. At SDC International Shipping, we understand these challenges better than anyone, as we've guided thousands of clients through every step of the relocation process, from their initial questions about shipping to the moment they're fully settled into life abroad. We know that a successful move is about far more than simply getting your belongings from point A to point B. It's about helping you build a foundation for your new life with confidence and ease. Our relocation experts take a deeply personalized approach to every move, because no two clients or two stories are the same. Whether you're moving as a couple starting a new chapter, a family with children adjusting to new schools, or an individual seeking a lifestyle change, our team tailors each step to your specific situation. We coordinate every detail, ensuring professional packing with materials that meet international standards, secure loading for sea or air freight, comprehensive custom clearance, and careful delivery right to your new home in Spain. But our support doesn't stop there. We also help you navigate the nuances of settling in, understanding delivery timelines, aligning shipments with visa approvals or housing readiness, and even arrange short-term storage when life's timing doesn't line up perfectly. Our goal is to make sure that by the time you unpack your final box, you already feel at home. Let us make your transition smooth from start to finish. Give us a call, 844-651-7050, or visit our website today.